Boom. I'm not even trying to fake it or start some weird intro. Look at this. We got a Skyline in the shop. My friend Jack here brought it in because he purchased this thing about 3 weeks ago. And you said 3 weeks?
3 months.
3 months. 3 months, my bad. And you know, it's got a couple of odds and ends that need some attention, just like any project car would that you'd expect. But in particular, he brought it here because it needs some exhaust help. Some of the stuff that was put together and built on this vehicle was, well, less than justified for what it is. What we've got here is a 1989 R32 Skyline GTST. It's rear wheel drive. It's got some nice accessory pieces. From what I can tell, it's got an aftermarket intake on it, you know, some accessories for the intercooler setup. But I'm sure Jack's going to be doing his own little attention to detail on this whole thing once he gets more time with it. In the meantime, he wants to make sure his exhaust system seals. So we'll go ahead and get underneath this thing, show you why he brought it here and the process of what we do in order to fix it. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ben. This is Hochman Fabrication and Speed, and what we do is specialize in building high-end race cars and components that look as good as they perform. So as you can imagine, this one fits right into our repertoire. I encourage you guys to check back in our channel and take a look at some of our other products and projects that we've done with people in the past. We don't just work on Nissans or Mitsubishis or Fords. We work on pretty much everything. We've done Ferraris. We just acquired a new R8 into our fleet that we're going to end up developing new products on. So be sure to check us out. But in the meantime, let's get started on this one. All right, so now that we've got this beast up in the air, let's take a look at what's going on. So, as Jack has informed me, he's got a serious exhaust leak. I would concur on that one. Looks like the gasket itself has been almost consumed by the exhaust, like it's eating it. And then, of course, we've got another flange connection. We've got what looks to be a 3.5-inch exhaust. Let's see who makes this thing. Jazma. Whoever that is. Never heard of them. Main factory. Anyway, nonetheless, we got to do something about this and make sure that our friend gets an appropriate exhaust system for what he's got going on. He's also got a nice little excess power downpipe. That's got to come off eventually. You don't want that piece on here. But that's what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and fix up his exhaust leak. We're going to remove this pipe. We're going to cut off the flange on the excess power downpipe. We're going to replace this connection right here with a V-band, replace this connection right here with a V-band, call it a day, so he can go home happy and knowing that his stuff is connected and not leaking on him. Sound like a good plan? Yep. Cool. Here we go. that's pretty much it. As you can see, we did a quick little swap out for that mid pipe. We made sure that Jack didn't have to deal with any leaking flanges or gaskets anymore. We replaced everything that he had going on there with a nice V-band setup so that he can rotate it accordingly and fine-tune the tip, along with easy serviceability and of course no leaks. So we appreciate you bringing this by, Jack, because we all want an opportunity to work on a Skyline at some point, let's face it. But this one is exceptional considering the fact that it is black. Y'all know me and black cars, and well, it's my first time working on one, at least in the Illinois area. It's been a while, but back in Colorado I had a chance to drive one when we were working at Metro, but that's another story. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like. I know it's short compared to most, but I want to keep you in the loop on this one because it's a special privilege to be able to work on it. Other than that, we'll catch you next time. See you later.